Hello, this is PJ and this is 30-day LeetCode challenge in PHP level difficulty easy, and today is challenge number 8 and I have a new challenge in front of me. So given integer array nums, return the third maximum number in this array. If the third maximum does not exist, return the maximum number. So let's have a look at some examples. So we have 3, 2, 1. So the output is 1 because the third maximum number is 1. If we have 1, 2, then we're returning maximum number 2. And then if we have 2, 2, 3, 1, then we're returning 1. Note that the third maximum number, maximum here means the third maximum distinct number. Both numbers with value 2 are both considered as second maximum. Okay, so this looks to me as a quite straightforward task, so let's have a look. So first what we need to do is something that we have done a couple of times before. We want to remove any duplicates because as we can see in this third example, they don't matter. So we just call array unique function on nums, and now this should remove our third, should remove any duplicates. And now what we can do, what we should do, I think, is check if third maximum does not exist, return the maximum number. Okay, so if there is less than 3 elements in this array, then we need to return a maximum number, because if the third maximum does not exist, if there is less than 3 elements in the array, in the unique array of these numbers, then it means third maximum does not exist and we have to return maximum number. So we're returning maximum number, otherwise we are returning, first we need to sort the array, PHP sort, and let's have a look how that works. Sort, okay, so we're just calling sort on the array of nums, and then we returning how's it gonna sort from lowest to highest. Okay, so this is not exactly what we need, but they should be like reverse sort function as well, so an array in reverse order. Okay, so that is what we need. So we want a reverse, and then we can just return the third element from here, which is index number 2. And again, I forgot to start the timer, but as you can see, we've done it pretty quickly, and I would consider this pretty much complete. So I like to analyze as always the whole code again. So we're removing any duplicates from the array, then we checking how many elements there is. If less than 3, we're just returning maximum from the array, and if more than 3 or 3 or more, then we sorting the array in reverse order and then returning third maximum number in this array. So let's try to run this code. Okay, so we have wrong answer, so we have output 3. Alright, so third maximum, alright, okay, so we need to add a condition. If it's less than 3, then return maximum, because before it was always true most of the time. So yeah, so let's try to run this code. Seems correct. Let's try to submit it. Yeah, that's success, and faster than 80% of other PHP submissions, so looks great. So that was challenge number 8, pretty easy. So thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next challenge. Bye bye.